Hey y'all, it's Megan and I'm showing you how I get this adorable little lettuce hem using my serger. The first step is going to be to remove the left needle and the left needle thread. Then you're going to want to disengage your stitch finger, and you're also going to want to narrow your stitch width. Mine goes down to 1. You're going to change the stitch length to 1, and the differential feed you can use in, or I like to lower it to 0.7. For your lower looper, I put it between 7 and 8, and the upper looper between 3 and 4, and I also like to use woolly nylon in this upper looper, and then I leave the needle on 4. I do also disengage my knife, but it's going to depend on what pattern you're using and what the hem allowance is. My biggest tip for doing a lettuce hem is to make sure you practice on the same, just a scrap piece of fabric that you're using. That way you can see, sometimes you need to pull the fabric through a little bit, and sometimes you don't need to pull it through at all, depending on the weight of the knit that you're using. So on this little rib knit, you could do either. If I pull it through, it makes it slightly more ruffled, and then if I didn't pull it through, I got less of a ruffle. But you can just practice on a scrap, play with it, and see how much tension that you want to put on the hem for the look that you're going for. And then I go ahead and I hem the top or sleeve or whatever I'm doing. I love a lettuce hem because it is so cute on the bottom of these PJs. You could use it on a dress. It's almost the same as a rolled hem, except with the knit it's going to ruffle it a little bit, as you can see here. And you can, again, put a little tension on it depending on what fabric you're using. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I will try to answer them. I will link all the other videos for the Palmer PJs down below if you want to take a look at them.